Today we will learn how to draw a domestic animals like cow, goat or dog. So let's first start with the dog. You know, dog is a domestic animal. He has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 tail. You know what does the dog says? The dog barks like bow, bow, bow. Dog is a very friendly in nature. The baby dog is called as puppy. Dogs have so many varieties and found all over the world. The dog has very strong smell power and dog can bark loudly. You know, dog helps in protecting us from thieves. What does the dog eat? The dog eats bread, chapatis, cereals, meat, fish. So here we have completed the drawing of dog. So let's draw a cow. Cow is a domestic animal. The cow is worshipped by Hindus. Cow have 4 legs, 2 ears, 2 eyes, 1 mouth and 1 tail. The cow eats grasses. The cow gives us milk. The baby cow is called as calf. The cow is found in many colors like black, white, brown. The cow is found all over the world. Cow is very polite in nature. So here we are about to end the drawing of cow. completed. Let's talk another domestic animals like goat. You know, a goat is a domestic animal. She has 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 mouth, 1 tail and 4 legs. What does the goat says? The goat says, "Me, me." You know, the baby goat is called as kid. The goat gives us milk. What does the goat eats? The goat eats chapatis, grasses. Vegetables. The goat is very polite in nature. Hope you enjoyed the drawing of all 3 domestic animals. Thanks for watching our video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more notifications. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Tata.